See here, in triangle ABC, A 3, 5, B 7, 8 and C 1, minus 10 are three vertices. Find the equation of median through A. See here, in triangle ABC, A 3, 5, B 7, 8 and C 1, minus 10 are three vertices. Find the equation of median through A, they are asking. See, triangle ABC, triangle A, B, C. A they give 3, 5. A they give 3, 5. B they give 7, 8. And C they give 1, minus 10. So in triangle ABC, A 3, 5, B 7, 8. C 1, minus 10 are three vertices, and they are asking find the equation of median through A. See, median from B to here, C to here also, but they are asking median through A. They are asking. So here I am taking D. So AD equation we have to find. What we have to find? AD equation. AD equation we have to find. See here from the diagram. This D is midpoint of BC first. D is midpoint of BC. See solution given in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, A 3, 5, B 7, 8 and C 1, minus 10. And D is midpoint of BC. D is midpoint of BC. So what is the formula? Midpoint formula? X1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So here means, see here, x1, y1, x2, y2. So midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. See here, D is midpoint. So here x1 plus x2 means 7 plus 1 upon 2, y1 plus y2, 8 plus minus 10 is there, minus 10 upon 2. That is, see here, 7 plus 1, 8 upon 2, that is 4. See here, 7 plus 1, 8 upon 2, 4. 8 minus 10, that is minus 2. Minus 2 upon 2, that is minus 1. So midpoint here now, see, 4, minus 1. Now what we have to find? Find the equation of median through A they are asking. Means, see here, you know A point. A is, see here, what is A? 3, 5. D is, what is D? Just know your formula. 4, minus 1. Then AD equation. Equation of AD. If you know 2 points, then formula. See, y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is C. If you know 2 points, then we will find the equation. Y minus y1 equals to m into x2 minus x minus x1. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Whereas m is slope. This is m. Okay. So just now substitute these values x1 y1 x2 y2. So here y minus y1. See, through A they are asking. So y minus y1 means y minus 5 is equals to y2 minus y1. See, we are taking these two only. y1 y2 means minus 1 minus 1 minus 5 upon x2 minus x1 4 minus 3 4 minus 9 is equals to x minus x1, that is 3. So here see now, y minus 5 is equals to minus 6 upon 1, means minus 6 upon 1 means minus 6 only, into x minus 3. Now see, y minus 5 equals to minus 6x plus 18 implies, see, minus 6 into x minus 6x minus 6 into minus 3 minus plus 18. So now after transposing 6x plus y, see, 6x plus y minus 5 minus 18 minus 23 is equal to 0. So the required equation is 6x plus y minus 23 is equal to 0. 6x plus y minus 23 is equal to 0.